Hello and welcome to this channel Servicenow group. Welcome to the first video on this channel on English. So this is Aldo and I'm gonna show you today how to request a personal instance for Servicenow. So let's get started. The first step on this video is you have to go to the URL that you are seeing on the screen, developer.servicenow.com. In this page you have to create an account or login and you will be able to request an instance on this button. Then you can select the version of Servicenow that you want on your instance. In this case we are going to create on Xanadu version, which is the most newest version for Servicenow at the moment that I'm recording this video. After reload, you will be able to log in on your PDI or personal developer instance. Sometimes it will take a few seconds, so I'm gonna show you the instance sections available. You can activate plugins, manage the email properties, release the instance, change use role, remove data, reset and wipe instance, refresh the instance, or upgrade the instance to a newest version. So you will be able to find all the catalog of plugins that Servicenow provide to you to install on your instance. In this case, for example, you will be able to see like orchestration, virtual agent, integration hub in the standard, professional and enterprise versions, and you will be able to activate it, but we're going to discuss about it on other videos. You can activate the email properties just to enable your instance to send or receive emails. You can choose the user role for the user in which you're logging on your instance. You can manage the instance password, operate the instance, view the history on the changes, or request instance help. So the PDI is available now and you will be able to start your development on your instance with an active system administrator user. Hey, thanks for watching. Leave a comment, any concern. I'll be reading you. Thanks.